Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's daydream, sipping in between long days, warm nights, gliding like kites, sapphire.
So, hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Kylie and I know you guys know that. But this video is gonna be a day in my life. Ideally siya a day in my life. Maybe like a days. Ideally days in my life, or like few days in my life where I spend as a tambay. Because after all of the graduation stuff, the review stuff, being an RN, trying to have rest before going into the real adulting stage world, we need rest. And that is what I have been doing for days now already. Because I had a part-time job, but I already quit it. And so right now, na jud ko tambay. And I'm very, very sorry if like my hair is very messy. But I am preparing because I am gonna go see my friends in senior high school. By the way, some of them were the friends that I have been during my Cebu trip. But two more are coming. And one is from Italy. And we haven't been complete, I guess, since senior high, and it has been like more than 4 or 5 years, I'm not sure, but this is just like a comeback for the group. Like karon pagid mi na complete after so many years, and we are gonna have our Christmas party, or like Christmas bonding, or the friends mass. So I'm gonna bring you along with me because I figured out it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna meet up in a cafe and we're gonna have a photo shoot, and then we're gonna have dinner. So it's really a day to remember because as I have said, after so many years, we're just back together complete, like 7-7. So yeah, I'm just gonna prepare. I don't know if I'm just gonna say the things that I've been preparing or not, depende. But yeah.
Dungan na bitaw kuan siya kanang comprehensive na, so from the start
Picture but complete. This is my Tito. He's here again.
hello sugar dad Abu Dhabi.
I'm tired from the trip. I'm tired.
Asa mo kagikan?
I'm tired from my 7 hours.
Where's our chocolate?
Uy na nga. Hello, good afternoon. We're at the coffee shop. I miss this kind of bonding. Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hi. Happy New Year. What's your 2025 New Year's resolution? What's your New Year's resolution?
Wala.
Why not? I want more money in 20. Hala!
More.
Good health, strength, more money, more blessings to come. That's all. Thank you.
last minute New Year's grocery. Bulan. Kanilami. Hello everyone. It's the New Year's vlog. Say hello.
Wow, new
May
gadget!
bag-o nga ko on
New
mic,
accessories?
boy. Hi.
This is an upgrade.
Hi.
Kuan hiwi man. Hi, say hi.
Hi! Wala pa ligo.
Oh my god. We are now preparing for
Pwede ka
New Year.
mag-ASMR, anak.
Yeah, you can do ASMR.
Interviewer. Fun.
Is ang unboxing mi sa lechon. Guys, wala mi lain sudan, lechon lang.
Mimi. New Year!
Hello.
New Year, lechon lang kay. Order kay
We have a lechon.
Mura niya among sudan, guys. Picture with a lechon. Legit, wala mi lain sudan. Kanilang gyud. Why ay nay kanon gamay pag yun ko yung kanon. Hi guys, we are done eating. Char. Kuha na to guys, humor na to sa mga Bisaya. Kasi i-bash na ba kayo? Lugo kun! Char.
Hi guys! Muli ka na ng nakalitsyon eh. Guys, naubos na yung ano namin, yung tinapa, ito na lang natira. Guys,
Mauna niya ang kuan aftermath.
tinatamad kami magluto ng ulam. Ito na lang, nag-order na lang kami.
Order na lang kami ng lechon.
Yeah, si Duterte mag-ibas.
You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17.
Kasi meron kaon nilalog para makakaya mga species.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. It is already almost 5 o'clock and it's New Year's Day. So it's the first day of January, January 1, 2025. And I am just being a homebody. I'm in my bed, rotting. Cause maybe this is a life of a typical tambay. Hi. But we want to like spread positivity throughout 2025 that we will be able to find a work and a job soon in time and like to be able to work na yun. You know what I mean? Okay. So I was just saying na lang na sorry if the vlog kagabi is just kind of messy. I was supposed to like vlog the entire day. I was vlogging, diba? Like when we were at the mall and then we went home to have a surprise dinner. That was actually a surprise given by my family members from abroad. And we were really, really shocked. And I thought na ang ibibigay sa amin is like food package for a dinner. Pero lechon gid siya and a paklay. Yun lang. And we are so thankful for that because as we all know, lechon is expensive. And it is really expensive. So it is a privilege to eat lechon. na hindi marami yung kakain. Like, it's just a family matter lang bitaw. And for that, if we were kinda offensive ba? Like, may something bad to hear. But that was just a humor of us. I don't know if it's like a humor of being Bisaya, but like a humor of us that we don't have any more viand or wala na kaming ibang ulam, lechon na lang. Cause that was really it. Like, wala jud mi nag-expect manggod. Cause we were really expecting other. So, wala na mi nagluto, wala na mi nag-prepare for New Year. Kaya nag-ingon na na-order na dinner. Pero wala po mi nag-expect na lechon ra de ay. So, like, that's humor. So, please, humor mi na lang ato nga aspect. But anyway, wala pa ko ligo, guys. And, unsa man nga palihi, kay wa may ligo. But anyway, I'm just gonna take a bath first and then maybe bring you along with me today. Depende, pero I'm just really gonna kind of stay at home, I guess. It depends kung asa ko padulong niya or if na ay other plans later. But yeah, as a tambay, I really don't do anything. Ano lang, trying to find work, bed rotting, resting, because I am pretty sure that I will have work in the few weeks or days to come. I am just cherishing the days that I have where I can bed rot and play Sims. So after this, I will play Sims. I have been playing Sims 4 for like a week, and I don't know, it brings me so much joy. Anyway, murag taas na kay ni nga talking scene. I would like to like times do this or what. But anyways, I think this vlog is pretty long based in my life as a tambay. But okay, that's okay. Sige, bye-bye. Okay, hello guys. So karon ga baklay ko pagawa sa amo ang house katong asa ko ga tulog. Di na ko niya makita kay walay suga diri. Pero basically gigutom ko kay 5 na biapit na mag 6. Tas gitawagan ko sa akong papa ganina ingon siya na sila sa gawas nagtambay kay close traffic man diri. So ako silang bulabugon. Hello. How's your January 1?
My January 1? It's raining, man. Yes.
Kamalin, how's your first day of 2025?
I welcome the year. Wow, with hope that more i-pour pa sa Ginoo ang mga blessing niya. Just believe.
Amen. Happy birthday, Kuya RG. Magigutom ko. Unsay imong gingon?
Engko, tinuod ba nga nagkaon ka sa ilalim sa lamisa o grapes? 12.
12.
Yes.
So magkaon og kag grapes karon sa lamisa 12 ka ba?
Dili.
Ngano man dili? Ngano gatalikod ka?
Wala lang.
So ka makita sa akong video nga nagkaon ko grapes. I-insert na ko. How's your first day of 2025?
Okay lang, aberto ang baba.
Ano aberto man ang baba?
Chika-chika.
Kisa man yung mga kachika.
Si Aldrin, iya kong i-introduce kang sabal. Then ako sa giasuyan si Aldrin sa History of the Philippines.
Ting init time. Paksiw, spaghetti. Humba, the charcuterie. Okay, magkaon ako.
Ganito lang po ang aday ng tambay. Kadal-kadal lang din po ng aking kapatid. Yeah, big yawn. That's a big yawn. Mag-smile ka. Ba't parati nagtilap-tilap ka?
Guys, welcome to my vlog. So today nata there is a great game. Try ta sa ilang coffee for the first time daw kunuhay. Test. This is say I love you till you take my heart away. Ah.
Hello. So we will taste test the cinnamon here sa gray. Taste test ko. So muna siya. Ga siya. Legit na siya. Wait lang.